I'll be showing you the best free review app. This app has no paid plans, so you're getting all of their features out of the box for free. The app we'll be using in this video is called Title Product Reviews app, and it's a beautiful and visual grid layout and makes it really easy to display social proof on your store. And so I'll leave a link in the description below for this app. You can also find it on the Shopify App Store. But once you're here, just click install. So this will bring us to the installation page. And if you're comfortable with the permissions, we'll just click install again. So after doing that, we head to our dashboard here and let's go and make sure this is set up. So the first thing we're going to need to do is enable this in our theme. So you should get a warning at the top here with a button to view and enable the reviews widget. So I'll click on that there. First up, I want to turn it on. Next up, we get settings on the review list. So we can have a grid layout or a list layout. We can set the text. So based on the count of reviews, what happens when there are no reviews, the see more reviews button, as well as the shop name replied. Review widget button customization, such as the write a review or be the first person to. We can also have the verified badge, and there are quite a few different settings here that give you more customization for the options. Next up, we can customize the select a rating section, as well as the upload media. So if a user wants to upload photos, we can customize the language here. To note, there is branding for powered by title, but if you send them a quick chat message in the bottom right here, they can remove this for free. Next up, we get customization for colors, and you want to do this to match your Shopify store. But for now, I'm just going to leave this as the default. So let's hit save on the top right to finalize those changes. Next, let's head to our online store themes. Now we can go and customize it here so we can customize the placement of our new review app. So I'm just going to click into an example product here. First up, I want to head to app embeds. We need to enable title here. So I've just enabled it. Let's save to finalize that section. And we can see now that if we head to our actual product page, I can see the review stars as well as the review section here where a user can write the review. So if I click in the top left here, I want to go and view our actual site. And I want to go test by leaving a review here just to make sure this is updating okay. So if I scroll down, I can go and write a review and say I love it. I'm going to skip adding a photo. I'm going to write test at gmail.com. So let's hit done there, and we can see the review has been left. If I head back here, let's go to the Title Reviews app, and I can see the reviews collected, and it's been published automatically. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, and it integrates seamlessly with all your different ad accounts, as well as many cost of goods sold providers. It's going to give you tons of analytics, metrics, and breakdowns so you can start making smarter business decisions. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself, and I'll leave a link in the description below. You could also find it on the Shopify App Store, just searching for Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left here. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you test it out. In terms of other settings to be aware of, the request queue section, this is going to show where people are in the review process because it's going to send an email automatically after their order has been complete. The email section is something you want to be aware of as well, as if we click into any of them here, we can go and customize the email template, which is what you'll want to do so you can have it to match your store's branding. And so you get emails for several things here. The first one is the review request. And so you make sure you're sending this an appropriate period after the customer has ordered. You probably want to wait until they actually received their product. There's also the follow-up. This is a double reminder here to help them share their experience. There's also a review discount email. We can give them a customized discount code after they leave their review. Lastly, to set that discount, if we head to settings, discounts, we can go and customize it to a unique coupon code with an X percentage or a fixed amount. We could also change the timing here on when to send the emails, and we can have some automatic review moderation too. So this concludes the app on the best completely free review app for your Shopify store. If this video helped, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.